Hello everybody. Today I wanted to talk about a few things that you'll do differently once you have birds. Mainly parakeets because that's all I have. First thing is you'll stop using Teflon in your kitchen. I know that sounds weird, but whatever chemical it puts off at certain temperatures is very toxic to the birds. At what temperature, I can't say. I've heard varying reports on that, and to me, it's just better not to take that chance of being dangerous to the birds. The next thing you'll start doing differently is you'll clean around them with only safe for birds cleaning solutions. I find mine at my local pet store, and they come in wipes or sprays, and it's just definitely best to use safe for birds chemicals. Their respiratory systems are so sensitive that strong chemicals and scents can harm them. The next thing you'll do differently is you'll be sure that your ceiling fans are turned off when they're flying about. I don't really need to say exactly why that's important, but you can probably picture what could happen if they're flying around with a ceiling fan on. You'll also probably start warning your friends and family or apologizing to them for the noisy chatter and the seeds and feather messes that they'll find inside your home. No matter how much we clean up after them, there's still going to be seeds and feathers lying about. You'll have a safe exit and entrance into your home, into and out of your home, where the birds can't get to. So in my house, I either shut my bedroom door because there's an exterior door out the one side of my bedroom, or we enter and exit through downstairs that has multiple doors between inside and outside. To this date, I've never had one of my birds fly down the stairs anyway, so that's a pretty safe exit. You'll stop burning candles or using spray air fresheners around them. And this goes right back to the same idea about their respiratory systems being so very sensitive. It's just not worth it. But also, you may also find that you whistle more, smile more, and have more fun inside your home. So it's not only things that you'll stop doing, but your life will definitely be different once you have a bird. If you have items from your own experience, please add them in the comments. As always, like and share. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of the fun content. All right, good night for now.